What's up guys, it's Aquaradactyl here, and today I have a new game on this channel called Subnautica. This game I've already started off, but I'm not that far in. It's a super fun game. Basically you crash land on an alien place and you're in your escape pod, and like this radio was broken before, so was this. I don't know what this does though. Can you guys tell me what it does down below if you know? This was fixed. I don't know what this does either. Could you tell me that as well? Does it hold this? No. Yeah, so let's get into this. Is it day or night? I think it's day. Yeah, so that's what crash landed when we jumped out of it. Wouldn't have thought. So, I need water. Okay, so it is quite laggy. So this pipe gives me air when I'm underwater, but I've also got an air tank. I need a bladderfish. Yeah, I'm super bad at catching fish, by the way. Like, really bad, Peeper. I'll take you. Bladderfish. I want it, I want it, I want it. Did I get it? Yes, okay. Let me swim back. So, my fabricator creates stuff. I did. Uh-oh. Guys, this will eat me. It's a stalker. It picks up metal, but it will eat me. But it can't touch me when I'm not in the water. So I kind of look in here and see what I want to make next. I'll not cook that. I will make it into water. And then I will eat the peeper. Oh, I'm getting a message on the radio.
This is LifePod 3, uploading our coordinates. We're plugging some holes in our emergency sea glide, so if we're late for the rendezvous, don't panic. Also, don't go home without us. Seriously. 3 out.
Signal location uploaded to PDA.
I'm gonna swim to them. I'm gonna just swim. No, I'm not. Because by the time I make it there, just by swimming, they'll be dead. I need a sea glide if I want to make it there. I won't leave without them. What do I need for a sea glide? I don't think I have the blueprint now. Ooh, equipment. No. Equipment, I've just seen that, haven't I? Scanner, repair tool, flashlight. This is what I want. So I need some copper. So when it becomes day... Yeah, I need a flashlight so I can actually go at night. So when it becomes day, I'll go out and get some stuff, yep. Okay. Next up, I have air bladder. Okay, so that's an emergency flotation device. What's a habitat builder? Oh, that looks hard. I'm not going to build that yet. Deployables. Sea glide, mobile vehicle bay, or waterproof locker. Can I make titanium? Yes, I indeed can. No more though. So now if I go to the fabricator and hit deployables, waterproof locker. So if I take that, I think that if I assign it a quick slot, and then if I go under here or something, I just chuck it, it should stay there. Okay, it says enter locker name. No, okay. I'll just leave it there. So in the morning, I'll do everything, yeah. I'm gonna cut ahead in the video till it's morning. So yeah, bye. Okay, guys, it's just telling me that
will reach a supercritical state. 80 minus.
that's the Aurora.
8, 7.
What's gonna happen?
5, 4, 3.
Uh-oh, it's breaking, it's breaking! Oh no, my game did not like that. Oh my. Oh, perfect timing, it's sunrise. Underwater we go.
New blueprint acquired.
Okay.
For your convenience, the radiation suit has been added to your blueprint database.
I think if I come out here, I should be able to find some limestone, which I think uh-oh. Let me just quickly scan myself. Normal, good. Can't tell if that's coming for me or going for that metal.
Oxygen.
Oxygen, yes, I do need oxygen.
Seek fluid intake.
Yeah, I'm leaving. Jeez. Talk about party pooper. Oh no, he's gonna bite me. Where's the ladder? Climb up the ladder. Uh-oh. I think he's gone. Okay, all I've got to do is swim, find some fish. Did I just drop something? No, I didn't. I've still got my knife. I just need to check the place for limestone. Don't think I see any. What's this? Let's just pick it up.
30 seconds.
Got 30 seconds of oxygen. Climb to the surface. Whereabouts would you find limestone? Uh-oh. If I were a limestone, where would I be hiding? Nope. Ooh, are you limestone? Titanium. Of course it's titanium. No, not the one thing I'm looking for. Ugh. I can make titanium. I can't make copper. Or can I? Find that out later. I feel like getting eaten. Bye. Uh-oh. What rod? Something's not happy with me. Oh, you're not happy with me. Is it because I took all your nums? Swim, 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 swim. Swim, 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 swim.
Seek fluid intake immediately.
Is he still chasing me? No, I think he's done. Anyway, guys, let me just get into this pod and then I will end the video here. So guys, that will end our video today. If you did enjoy the video, please do like, comment and subscribe for more uploads. Goodbye.